Hi, my name is George, and in this video, we're talking about what is Hostinger and WordPress, two of the most popular platforms for building websites. If you're trying to figure out which one is right for you, stick around. We'll go over what they are, how they work, and the key differences that matter when choosing a website builder. And before we dive in, just a quick note, some links in the description are affiliate links. That means that if you click on them and make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now, let's get started. What is Hostinger? Hostinger is a website builder that makes it easy to create a site, even if you have zero coding or design experience. It's an all-in-one platform, which means it gives you everything you need in one place. Hosting, design templates, and tools to make your website look professional. Now, one of the biggest selling points of Hostinger is its drag and drop editor. Instead of writing code, you can just click on a design element like a button, text box, or an image and move it wherever you want. This makes it super easy to build a website exactly the way you want it. It also comes with a bunch of pre-made templates. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a business website, you can pick a design that fits your needs and customize it to match your brand. Now, if you're planning to sell products online, Hostinger has built-in e-commerce features. You can add product pages, shopping carts, and payment options without needing extra plugins or tools. And for those who care about search engine rankings, Hostinger has basic search engine optimization tools. These help improve your website's chances of appearing on Google and getting more visitors. So overall, Hostinger is a great choice if you want a simple, budget-friendly website builder that doesn't require any technical knowledge. Now, let's talk about what is WordPress. But first, an important clarification. There are two versions of WordPress. WordPress.com, a fully hosted website builder, which is what we're talking about in this video. And then there is WordPress.org, an open source content management system, CMS, that gives you full control but requires separate hosting. So in this video, we're focusing on WordPress.com, which is a website builder similar to Hostinger. WordPress.com is a bit more flexible than Hostinger when it comes to design and customization. It offers a wide selection of themes, which are like pre-made website layouts. Unlike Hostinger, WordPress lets you customize these themes more deeply, especially if you choose a paid plan. WordPress also comes with built-in tools for search engine optimization, social media sharing, and basic analytics. You don't need to install extra software for these features. They're already included. Now, one big advantage of WordPress is scalability. This means you can start with a basic website and then expand it over time. Whether you want to add an online store, a membership area, or a custom blog layout, WordPress allows for more long-term growth. WordPress also takes care of security and maintenance for you. You don't have to worry about software updates or website security because WordPress handles it automatically. Overall, WordPress.com is a solid choice if you want more control over your website's design and features, but still want an easy-to-use, managed platform. Which one is easier to use? If you're a beginner and just want to get online fast, Hostinger is easier. The drag and drop builder makes designing a site super simple and everything is laid out in a way that's easy to understand. You don't need to learn anything about coding, plugins, or website maintenance. Now, WordPress.com, on the other hand, has a slightly steeper learning curve. The editor isn't as visual as Hostinger, so there's a bit more setup involved. However, once you get used to it, WordPress gives you more customization options than Hostinger. So if your goal is to build a basic website with a little effort as possible, Hostinger is the better option. But if you're willing to spend a little more time learning, WordPress gives you more control over your site in the long run. Which one is better for customization? Now, when it comes to design and customization, WordPress has the advantage. With Hostinger, you can customize templates by changing colors, fonts, and layouts, but you're limited by what the platform allows. You can't really make deep changes to the structure of your website, and advanced customization requires coding, which isn't possible on Hostinger's platform. Now, WordPress offers a lot more customization freedom, especially with its premium plans. You can tweak your website's design, add custom fonts, and even use extra tools like custom CSS, which is a type of styling code that changes the look of your site. So if you want a simple website that looks good out of the box, Hostinger is just perfectly fine. But if you need more control over how your website looks and functions, WordPress is the better choice. Which one is better for e-commerce? Both platforms allow you to sell products online, but they take slightly different approaches. Hostinger has built-in e-commerce features, so you can start selling right away without needing extra tools. It's great for small businesses that need a simple online store. WordPress also supports e-commerce, but to get the most of it, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. With the right plan, you can unlock features like WooCommerce, which is a powerful e-commerce tool for selling products online. So if you want a basic online store with minimal setup, Hostinger is a great choice. But if you're planning to grow and expand your business, WordPress gives you more options in the long run. Which one is more budget friendly? If price is a major factor, Hostinger is more affordable. Hostinger's cheapest plan starts at just $2.99 per month, and that includes hosting, website templates, and a free domain name for the first year. WordPress has a free plan, but it comes with limitations. You can't use a custom domain, and your site will show WordPress ads. If you want more features, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan, which starts at $4 per month and goes up all the way to $45 per month for e-commerce and business features. So if you're on a tight budget, Hostinger gives you more for less. But if you're willing to spend a little more, WordPress gives you more flexibility and customization. So which one is right for you? It all comes down to what you need. If you're a beginner who just wants a simple, affordable website, Hostinger is the way to go. It's easy to use, budget-friendly, and gets the job done without any technical headaches. Now, if you're planning to grow your website over time, need more customization, or want a platform that can handle more complex features, WordPress is the better long-term choice. Both are great options, but they serve different purposes. If you're still unsure, think about what matters most to you: ease of use or flexibility, and choose accordingly. So if you're ready to launch your website the easy way, Hostinger is hands down one of the best places to start. It's simple, affordable, and gives you everything you need to go live fast. No tech skills required. Check out the link in the description to grab the best deal on Hostinger today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.